This is SnowRunner, the next-generation off-road experience featuring unparalleled physics simulation and a massive sandbox world. You are an off-road trucker, braving the wilderness to tackle a wide variety of contracts, explore and discover new locations, and take on a multitude of challenges. Standing in your way is nature itself, with meticulously simulated mud, water, and snow. SnowRunner features a best-in-class physics system that accurately simulates natural terrain and water. Mud, snow, and ice all have their own physical behaviors. They each take into account vehicle weight, tire spin, and even the water content of the terrain, meaning there's a new challenge around every corner. Crossing rivers is particularly treacherous, as water currents are accurately simulated and may completely overwhelm your vehicle. Careful accelerator control and mindful use of the steering wheel are essential, though if needed, your trusty winch can help you out of even the trickiest situations. There are 3 regions split across 11 open-world maps to explore, offering the largest maps in the franchise's history. Each region, Alaska, Michigan, and Taymyr, offers its own distinct setting, objectives, and challenges. Freely travel these regions and discover new landmarks, missions, contracts, upgrades for your vehicles, and many other rewards in each new zone you explore. Most contracts and activities can be carried out at your own pace and in the order that you wish. Some will even have an impact on the world around you, facilitating your future travels through the map. These activities can include transporting goods and materials, rescuing vehicles, building bridges, repairing cargo lines or oil pipes, clearing roadblocks to open new paths, and new to the franchise, mega-sized deliveries. More challenging missions can even take you across several maps, linked together by tunnels and highways. This makes planning for the long haul very important. Using the right vehicle and tools for the job is vital. SnowRunner features a huge selection of 40 customizable vehicles, including some of the best-selling and most beloved truck brands in the world. These include Ford, Freightliner, and Caterpillar, with fully realized interiors and physics models. Vehicles can be outfitted with snorkels for deep water traversal, chain tires for attacking snow, and much more. Deep visual customization is also available, with a wide assortment of paints, decals, rims, and lights. Though you're free to progress through the game solo, trucking the untamed wilderness is often a team endeavor. SnowRunner comes with cooperative multiplayer, letting you bring up to 3 friends along on your outdoor exploits. Additional content is planned for after release, such as new vehicles, maps, regions and activities, alongside console mod support, community modding tools, and a bunch more features. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you in the wilds when SnowRunner releases April 28th, 2020. Pre-order the Standard or Premium Edition today to receive the Navistar 5000 MV tractor.